Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the case 2 in solving an oblique triangle. Now, under the case 2, the given are the two sides and one angle, or also called as a side-side angle or the SSA. So this case 2 is also called as an ambiguous case. Bakit nga ba siya tinawag na ambiguous case? Because kapag sinabi natin kasi ambiguous, the solution are complex, there are a lot of possibilities to arrive on the given problem. Then, yun. So, this is called an ambiguous case because one triangle, two triangles, or no triangle at all are possible. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lahat ng given pwede natin isolve using the sign law. Okay? So, we can identify first the number of triangles to be formed. Whether it is a one triangle, two triangle, or no triangle at all. Now, paano natin madedetermine yon? So, we have to identify first whether the given triangle is acute or obtuse. Now, if the given triangle or angle is acute, then the possibilities are 0, 1, or 2 triangles. Now, when the given angle, di ba may isang angle na given dito, kapag yung given na angle na yon is obtuse, the possibilities are 0 or 1 triangle. Now, iisa-isahin natin itong mga criteria na to in determining the number of triangles to be formed based on the given. So, let us consider that a given triangle ABC wherein A is the angle, A is the, ito yung tinatawag natin na opposite side, and B is the other side. Okay? Now, itong first four na criteria will fall under the acute angle. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng given natin na angle dito are acute. Itong apat na mauuna. Okay? Now, tingnan to. Sa first criteria, when your A is greater than or equal to B. Or ibig sabihin, when the given opposite side is greater than the other side. Ito yung illustration niya. So, itong A na to, mas malaki itong A compared dito kay B. So, kapag ganyan, one triangle can be formed. So, for example, ang given mo is your A is equal to 40 degree, A is 10, B is 6. Now, as you can see, your opposite side and your other side, ang relationship nila is mas malaki si opposite side compared to the other side. Then the number of triangle to be formed is 1 triangle. May mabubuo kang isang triangle doon. So, ibig sabihin, pwede mong isolve yung triangle na to. Naintindihan? Okay, next. When the given is less than. Okay. Wait lang. Dito sa first criteria, basta greater than or equal, automatic one triangle yon. Now, itong pangalawa, pangatlo at pang-apat, when your A is less than B, paano mangyayari yon? Let's say, A is 40 degrees ulit, then your A is 5, then your B is 10. So, you're going to compare your A and B. Now, your A is less than your B. Tama ba? Your opposite side is less than to the other side. So, therefore, ito yung mga possibilities na pwedeng mag-arrive. Now, the first one is when your A is less than B, you have to identify the measurement of the height. Ano yung sukat ng height? Now, paano nyo makukuha yung value ng height? Now, sundan nyo ito. Your height is always equal, para hindi na kayo mag-derive ng formula. Your height is always equal to the other side times the sine and your given angle. Okay? Always to. Again, your height is equal to the other side times the sine angle. Okay, yung given na angle. Now, kapag nakuha nyo na yung value ng height, so, wait lang. Pakita natin. Now, let's say, ito yung mga given mo, 45 and 10. So, yung other side mo, ano yung other side mo dito? That is 10. Sine, yung given na angle is 40. Now, itong nakuha mong height, which is 6.4, isulat natin. So, nakita nyo on the calculator, the height is equal to 6.4. You are going to compare to the opposite side. Yan. Now, ano ang relationship ni opposite side compared to your height? Now, as you can see, the opposite side is less than to your height. Tama ba? So, kapag mas maliit yung value ni opposite side compared to your height, yan, then no triangle can be formed. Wala kang mabubuong triangle doon. Ito yung illustration niya. So, kung mas maliit itong si A compared to your height, hindi siya aabot, hindi siya makakabuo ng triangle. Okay? Malinaw ba? So, yun yung pangalawa. Now, yung pangatlo naman, sabi ko kanina, yung pangalawa, pangatlo, pang-apat, less than, yung opposite side is less than the other side. Okay? Now, if your A is equal to H, di ba kapag ganito, lagi nyo kukunin is yung value ni height. Then, i-compare nyo to your opposite side. Kapag same value lang, yung height mo and your A, or the opposite side, then, they will form, or you will be form, one triangle. So, and yung triangle na yon is tinatawag na right triangle. Okay, malinaw? So, when your opposite side is equal to the height, it is always that the number of triangles to be formed is 1. Next. What if your opposite side is greater than your height? So, let's say, hindi lang realistic to. Mas mahaba si A compared to your height. So, ilang triangles ang mafo-form? So, it is always that you will form a 2 triangle. Okay? Now, those are for the acute angle. So, lahat yon nagfo-fall under the acute angle or acute triangle. Or, yung given na angle dito is acute. Mula kay 1.1, 1.2, 1.2.3, 1.2.4. So, ito, greater than or equal to, itong part na to is less than, equal and greater than yung opposite to the height. Okay? Now, itong part naman na to, the last two criteria will fall when the given angle is obtuse. So, ibig sabihin ng obtuse angle, ito yon, that the given angle is greater than 90 but less than 180 degrees. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, let's say yung A mo dito is 112 degrees. Diba? Obtuse yan kasi greater than 90 siya. Then, your A is 20 and your B is equal to 15. So, sabi dito, when your A, the opposite side, is greater than to the other side, then one triangle can be formed. So, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Now, when your A, okay, when the opposite side is less than or equal to the other side, then no triangle will be formed. So, let's say, gamitin natin yung kanina, 112 degrees, but your A is 20 and your B is also 20. They are equal. So, pareho yung sukat ni A and B na walang triangle na mabubuo doon. Okay? Another one. Your A is 105. Your side A is 10. Your B is 7. So, your B is 15. Since your A is less than B, then no triangle ang mabubuo doon. That's an impossible. Okay? Malinaw ba? Now, para madali nyo ma-identify, kasi hindi naman lagi ito yung given. A, and B. Lagi nyo tandaan to. Okay? Kapag meron kang given na angle A, ano ang opposite side niya? Okay, side A. If your given angle is side B, ano ang opposite side niya? Oh, sorry. When your given angle is B, then the opposite side is side B. But when the given angle is C, your opposite side is side C. Capital letter for an angle, small letter for the sides. Now, sa other side naman, syempre, iba-iba yung possibilities dyan. Depends on the given. Okay? So, dito sa una, if your angle A is given, the opposite is side A. So, the other side, pwede yung given is B or kaya C. Now, if the opposite side is B, the other side or the other given is A or C. And when the given is the opposite side C, the other side is A or B. Okay? Now, ito, wag nyo na itong kabisaduhin. Okay? Madali na lang yun eh. Pinaka-basis natin, your height is equal to the other side times the sine, then angle. Or yung given na angle. Okay? Now, ito yung pinaka-summary niya. Ito yung pinaka dapat yung tandaan. Okay? Again, ang unang step in solving an oblique triangle under the case 2 is to identify whether it is acute or obtuse. Okay? Kapag acute siya, ito yung pinakatitingnan natin. Kapag obtuse, ito yung criteria natin. Okay? So, ito naman yung mga number of triangles na pwedeng ma-form. And dito naman for obtuse. Okay? Opposite side and other side, kapag greater than yung opposite side compared to other side, one triangle lang ma-form. Kapag less than, si opposite side is less than the other side, tandaan nyo, ano ang kukunin? Okay, kukunin nyo yung height. So, alamin nyo yung value ni height. Then, saka nyo i-compare. Dito naman kayo titingin sa pangalawa. Opposite side, i-compare nyo kay height. Then, kapag obtuse, mata-mata na lang yan. Di nyo na yan kailangan i-solve. Compare nyo na lang yung dalawang given na side. The opposite side and the other side. Okay, let's practice this one. So, let's determine the number of triangles that can be formed with the given information or data. Okay, number 1, angle A is 54, side A is 12, side B is 10. Now, sabi natin sa first step, identify yung given na angle. Sa number 1, is it acute or obtuse? Okay, very good. This is acute. Now, if this is acute, compare natin si si opposite side. Sino ba ang opposite side dito? Is it side A or side B? Okay, si side A. So, this is the opposite side. And this one is the other side. Now, compare nyo si opposite side and other side. O, anong symbol ang gagamitin nyo dito? Okay, very good. Greater than. Since your opposite side is greater than the other side, how many triangles will be formed? Okay, based on our table earlier, that is one triangle. So, one triangle can be formed on this given. Next, number 2, the angle B is equal to 62. Side B is 20, side C is 30. Now, as you can see, the angle B is acute. Right? Now, let us Anong tawag dito? Let us compare the opposite side and the other side. Now, since the opposite side is B, which is 20, and your other side is 30, so comparing 20 and 30, so as you can see, obviously, 20 is less than 30. So, since less than siya, hahanapin natin si height. Paano natin kukunin si height? Sabi natin, other side. Ano yung other side? 30. Sine, angle. Ano yung given na angle? 62. So, you may input this one on your calculator. 30 sine 62. So, ang makukuha nyo dyan is 26.49. So, since 26.49 siya, and your opposite side is 20, o anong symbol ang gagamitin nyo dito? 20 and 26.49. So, less than. Okay? Since less than siya, ilang triangles yung mapo-form doon? Okay, no triangle, 0 triangle. So, di ba, based dun sa table natin, yung opposite side, to, less than the other side, and your opposite side is less than your height, then 0 triangle ang mapo-form. Next, angle C is 23, side A is 40, side C is 25. Okay? Now, your given angle is still acute. Okay? Side A is 40, side C is 25. Now, alin dito yung opposite side? Okay? Hindi lagi yung pangalawa, ha? Dito, since your given angle is C, therefore, the opposite side is 25. Comparing 25 to the other side, which is 40, so that is less than 25 is less than 40. So now you have to find the height. Paano nyo kukunin yung height? Yung other side. Ito yun, 40. Sine, given na angle. Ito yun, 23. When you calculate 40 sine 23, you will arrive with the value of height, which is 15.63. Now, if your height is 15.63 and your opposite side is 40, now what can you observe? 40 is greater than your height. So, since greater than siya, ang mapo-form na triangles, how many triangles? Okay, very good. 2 triangles. Next, angle A is 30, side A is 25, side C is 50. So, this is the given angle. Acute pa din siya. This is the opposite side and this is the other side. Okay? Now, 25 and 50. Obviously, 25 is less than 50. So, therefore, hanapin yung height. So, yung height, other side, which is 50, sine, and your given angle 30. So 50 sine 30, kapag kinalculate nyo to on your calculator, you will arrive with a value of 25. And comparing the opposite side and the height, so 25, they are what? They are equal. Now, since they are equal, therefore, how many triangles will be formed? Okay, that's correct. One right triangle. Okay, one right triangle yung pwede nyong mabuo doon. Next, angle B is 125, side A 70, side B is 70. Now, what have you observed on the given angle? This is obtuse. So, if this is obtuse, madali na lang mag-compare. Okay, tingnan nyo lang yung dalawa. Ano yung opposite side dito? Ito. And this one is the other side. Since opposite side is equal to the other side, therefore, how many triangles will be formed? Okay, very good. No triangle. So, that's impossible. Next, number 6. A is 130. Again, this is very good. Obtuse angle. Now, comparing this one, this is your opposite. This is the other side. Bakit siya opposite? Kasi small letter nung given angle. Yun yung opposite niya. So, since 8 and 5, comparing these two, 8 is greater than 5. Therefore, how many triangles will be formed? Okay, that's correct. 1. So, one triangle can be formed since angle A is is obtuse, then A is greater than B. Okay? Now, itong solving will be discussed on the next lesson. Thank you for watching this video.